According to the Vatican News, last Monday night, the College of Cardinals gathered in the new Synod Hall for the Second General Congregation in preparation for conclave. They were joined by 4 more cardinal electors who swore the oath before the college, bringing the number yet to arrive in Rome to 8. They were Lebanese Cardinal Bikara-Rai, Patriarch of the Maronite Church, German Cardinals Wolfke of Berlin and Michener of Cologne, and Senegalese Cardinal Sarr of Dakar. Last Monday night, the first of 2 meditations was held as according to the Apostolic Constitution governing papal transitions. It was led by preacher to the papal household, Capuchin Friar Raniero Cantalamessa. Moreover, it was also decided that from today onwards, the general congregations will take place only in the mornings. There will be no second evening session. Alan Alfalcedo, Balitang Roma Online.